Hey guys, Sarah here. Josie is obviously here. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to listen to Josie growl for a little bit. And then we're going to do our Ipsy versus Ipsy for February 2019. If you do not know, Ipsy is a $10 a month beauty subscription and you get 5 beauty samples personalized to your beauty profile. And then you can also earn points for reviewing those products and then earn free products additionally. So yeah, without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop right into it. Okay, so if you've never been to my channel for an Ipsy versus Ipsy, basically I have one bag right here that is my normal beauty profile. It has my correct age, my correct hair color, eye color, all that stuff. Comfortable with makeup, more neutral sort of makeup. And then the other one is a more adventurous profile, so bold makeup, a different age I think, different hair color, all that stuff, just to see what the difference is between your beauty profiles. So yeah, let's just go ahead and open these right up. So first I will open up my bag. So right here. Okay, so right here I have the card for this month. It is Swoon So Hard. So it says there's lots to love this month. Aside from your 5 personalized picks, let us introduce you to our next Beauty Crush Ipsy add-ons. So it says, starting now, in addition to your 5 picks, you can choose any 3 product samples, hair, makeup, skincare, and more to add to your next glad bag starting at $3 each. Interesting. Okay, this is also new to this month. They started to put on the card what you're getting in your bag. So if they've never done that before, that's kind of just thrown into the bag. And so yeah, interesting. It does not have the values on that, so as always, I will put that in the description box down below. I break down the value of the box. I will also put down there, if I don't know at the time of filming, if things are cruelty free or not, if you care about that as well. Okay, so first of all, I have 2 things on the outside of my bag. So the first one is this brush, which is very interestingly wrapped. So it's got like this mesh on the outside, which is nice because it actually helps it keep the shape. So that's cool. So this brush is by F.A.R.A.H. It is the 50F. It's just like a nice fluffy face brush. It is very soft. The handle's plastic, but not bad. It feels very, very soft. Interested to give this a try. I love getting brushes. Okay, let's see. And then the other thing I have on the outside of my bag is Sur.Medic Age Control Multi-Vita. So it's like a sheet mask, it looks like, right here. Oh, I guess there's 2 in here, so let's see what I have. So the first one's for age, which is great. You can tell this is my real bag when I'm worried about age. And then the other one is Vital Collagen. So yeah, 2 sheet masks, not bad. I don't know anything about this brand. I don't know if they're cruelty free. It is a Korean beauty product. I can just tell by the back of it. So yeah, I would definitely look into this. I do like sheet masks and I'm trying to control my age. So yeah, not mad about that. Okay, so the bag this month is these little lips. I really, really like these bags. Are really cute. It's like a pleather sort of material. Okay, let's see what's inside. So the first thing I am pulling out is from Hey Honey. It is Trick and Treat CC Cream. So color correcting formula with treatment benefits, and it's light to medium tone. The color looks like it will be okay for me. It's cruelty free, paraben free, SLS free. So yeah, I've tried BB creams before, but I've actually never tried a CC cream. So I'm actually curious to give this a try. Not mad about that. Okay, let's see. The other things I have in here. This next one is from Laritzy Cosmetics. It is the long-lasting liquid lipstick, and mine is in the shade Tidal. So there's the packaging. This brand is cruelty-free. Okay, and if I had to guess, I would say this is full size. So there it is. It's just like a dusty sort of pink color, I will say. I'll go ahead and swatch it. There it is on my hand. It's very pretty. I do like the color. I feel like I have a million colors like this, but not mad to get it. It says it's waterproof and ultra long wearing. And it will be a matte liquid lip. Okay. Okay, I have one more thing in my normal bag, and this is from Daisy and Pearl. You okay, bud? Okay. Okay. Let me see. Okay. Those are his thoughts on this. Okay, so this is Daisy and Pearl Natural Radiance Booster by Seraphine Botanicals. It is not tested on animals, vegan, gluten-free, GMO-free. I'm trying to figure out what this is. Okay, so when I'm looking at it, it looks like an eyeshadow, honestly. Like, I don't know, it just looks like an eyeshadow. But then when I'm reading the back, it says, gently swirl a blush plus highlight brush over the surface, then swipe it onto the high points of cheekbones and temples. So it seems like it's like a highlighter, but I don't know. Let's go ahead and swatch it. Okay, I guess it could be a highlighter. It just looks very eyeshadowy. So there it is on my finger. It's very highlighty. I'll go ahead and put it on my hand. So there it is. You can see it's like right here. Okay, so it's more of like a subtle highlight, which is more what I'm into personally. Just as you get older, a highlighter tends to accentuate like texture on your face, and so I like a more subtle highlight personally. So yeah, definitely interested in giving this a try. Okay, so that's everything I got in my normal bag. I think it fits the profile pretty well. Let's go ahead and see what I got in my adventurous bag. Okay, so same bag. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is a brush from Luxie. This is, I think I have this brush. No, I don't. Okay, so this is the Luxie 243 Precision Blending. So it's just a small brush. This is sort of the kind of brush I would use for like the, like deepening up the color in the outer corner of my eye. So not mad about that. I really like Luxie brushes. I think they're very nice quality. So got that. Okay, so I have my first duplicate here. This is the same thing from Hey Honey, the same CC cream, so got that, not mad. So the next thing I'm pulling out is from Eyeko, I'm pretty sure this brand is. It's a mascara. I have tried this before. It is cruelty free. I actually like this mascara for doing my bottom lashes. I just feel like the way it curves is really good for that. So see how it's got that kind of like curve? So yeah, I like this mascara, so I'm not mad about it. It's not like a super like dramatic sort of lash. That's why I kind of like it for these down here. It's more like a lengthening kind of mascara, I would say. So the next thing I have is from Feel Beauty. It is the Renewed Pumpkin Walnut Facial Cleanser. I have gotten this before in an Ipsy, but it was more like, it looked like the, you know, like those baby food pouches, like that are like, they have applesauce or something, and that's what they normally come in. It looks like they're changing their samples to like this so you can get more uses out of it. I cannot remember if it's cruelty free. I have not gotten it in a long time. That's just a face cleaner, so got that. And then the last thing in here, I think this is my third time I've received one of these in a beauty box. This is from Hanalei. It is a lip treatment, and mine's in peach pink. I don't know if I've gotten this one. But it's just like, it's very like Vaseline kind of feeling, and then you just wear it at night and it kind of helps keep your lips moisturized. I guess you could wear it during the day, but to me it's so thick and like kind of goopy that I wouldn't want to wear it out. But it is colored, it says peach pink, so maybe this one's more for the day. So yeah, that's all I got in my bags. Honestly, I don't feel like my second bag really matches the profile. It's all pretty basic stuff. Nothing screams, whoa, that's some adventurous makeup. So, but yeah, overall, I like both bags. I got stuff that I'm gonna use. Just a couple things I need to research. But yeah, what did you guys think? I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the new cards? I kind of like that they have these now with more information. So you're able to really read about the stuff you're getting. So not mad about that. But yeah. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, more very well-behaved dogs in the background, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right there, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.